just wanted to be famous, just being real, yeah, just being honest. My haters don't always be nameless, give them no clout, I give them no power.
What's going on, Be Okay family? Welcome back. Welcome back. Today we got another, I want to say back to school gym that I know all of y'all, all my back to school folks should be copping and all that good stuff. It's just a gym that I know everybody gonna be copping, everybody gonna be wearing. It's reasonable and you can look fly too. I mean, my thing is with back to school shoes is what I can get the bang for my buck, and that's me coming from a parent and when I went to school. So if I can find a shoe that I can get the bang for my buck for, I'm going after it, and that's the biggest thing. Because what I want is more shoes. I don't want to have 3 shoes that cost $300 plus, and I only get a couple shoes throughout the school year. Look, this is not for the hustling kid and stuff like that, and or the parents that can buy you anything. This is for the kids that can't, you always can't get the shoe you want. I'm gonna put it like that. This is a decent shoe. This shoe you could wear with shorts, pants, anything, joggers, whatever you feel like you need to put on. I think you can rock with this shoe. This is my first pair of them. I do rock with New Balance though. I rock with New Balance heavy, but as you can see, I wear a lot of Nike. So I just want to throw this out there. This is one of them shoes that you could definitely can rock with so much other stuff. And let's get to the shoe. And let's you know what I'm saying? Let's I don't want to make this long and drawn out, but this is definitely one of those back to school pairs. And hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Bam. We talking about New Balance. I might make this a thumbnail. I was going with all of my, y'all know, my thumbnails, but I might make this a thumbnail. Alright, so this shoe I picked up, it ran me for $110. This is the same price of an Air Force One, but I think it's it's gonna last longer. Me personally, I think this model, I kept seeing them everywhere, and I'm like, I didn't want to hop on a bandwagon. Not saying I'm hopping on a bandwagon now, but I didn't want to until I seen these. This color silhouette here is crazy to me. I don't think New Balance work the color on them. No, they don't. But I think it's crazy to them. They do run true to size. So if you wear a half size, or if you wear just a regular 11 or 12 or 10, I think you could just go true to size with them. Like I said, I do have a wide foot, and I was kind of surprised when I put my foot in them and they actually fit straight up. So let's get into the shoe. Let's get into this shoe. Bam. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. This is the New Balance 550. And boy, oh boy, y'all gotta stay with me. I just got over that thing. Yeah. So bear with me, stay with me. If this is kind of low or whatever. But yeah, bam, 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 bam. Mind you, this model has been around a long time. It's an old basketball shoe, and what I like about the shoe is the aspects, how they put the color in this shoe. I think I like the best out of it. I'm not a fan of the toe. I don't like that for some reason. That round toe-ish, it don't sit right with me. I think that's why I was reluctant to get it at first, but I want to bring y'all some new, different stuff. Yeah. This is comfort. These shoes are comfortable, like I said before. Yeah, I definitely want to give y'all something different, something new out here in these streets. Something for back to school, something y'all can really cop. Something that's reasonable for parents out here just copping for their kids, man. We all know in these times and times we in now, a $300 pair of shoes ain't gonna cut it, especially when you buying 2 or 3 pair of shoes at the beginning of the school year. So This is one of those ones. Like I said, this is the New Balance 550. This do come in multiple different colorways, and the resale is not too high on a lot of these. I checked StockX, and you got some with the collab, DeLong. I'm not gonna butcher that. Them going for about 170, 180, depending on the colorway. Like I said, I think these Dunks Air Force Ones is something you can't go wrong. We're going back to school in. I think that's what's gonna be the new thing. Yeah. Bam! There you have it. There you have it. The New Balance 550. I do not know the colorway name of this. Let me look at it. So the color of this is white mint green. So mint green. Very simple color. This do carry a lot of cushion around it, which I didn't expect. And it has a lot of cushion at the bottom. So if it's something you're looking for, something comfortable, something you could throw on an everyday shoe and still stay fly, this is one of them shoes. So like I said before, this is the New Balance 550. This is the white mint. If you're looking for this color, they do have a plethora of colors. If I get an opportunity, I'll put it in the description here. I did pick these up from Champs. They was just sitting. For some reason, they was just sitting. They did have another color there, but this one kind of stood out to me. I think they had the white and black, but this one stood out more to me, just because of the green, and I love green, and I always got some green on. Whether it's money in my pocket or something or something on my body, it's always something green on me. Understand that. So, hey, New Balance 550 white mint. If you can cop it, cop it. If you can't, I'm sorry about it. But this is a shoe for 110. It's reasonable, and you will still be able to keep up with the rest of your crew or the rest of your people. So, hey, bam. Like I said, this was a basketball shoe. So, basketball, tennis, I'm not sure. So, you got that on the tongue. So, bam. Do me a favor, hit that comment. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. If you can. This is the back to school series, and this is the first one in that. So, bam. Do me a favor. Stay blessed. Be blessed. And always find a way to get your blessings.
Baby, now I got the flow. I'm about to pull up. His wishful curves, and I've been waiting so long. Now I gotta resurface. Yeah, we ready to stop. All the better we burn it. Cause I've been feeling cool time. I've been fucking cool time. We turn up now. Can you give me that back? We turn up now. Can you give me that back? Well, I try to tell you so, but I guess you didn't know. Let's play. As I said, the story goes, I've been fucking cool time. Once again, let's play. Cause I know it from the start.